There's a set of people on earth that I really hate. Let me put them alongside people who commit murder and people who not like beard, and as such me feel like they need for the behind bars. Them need help. Me think them people not care about life, and them do things and not even think about it and then expect civilized people like me to show them sympathy. Like me name Josie. You ever see some people do some things and if a big stone bust in they really wouldn't feel no way? Because they feel like say yo, probably them deserve it. You ever see some people do some things where they just want to wet a towel and sting them right behind their ears? Well, for me, the person if lightning strike them on them big toe right now more than even fart pan them, I people them will mix food before they consume it.
Nigga! Blood clot, man!
You ever give somebody some rice and canned beef? And the psychopath just start put on hard at steel to one overall and start mix food like cement. No, fam. No. It can't work. We can't deal again. Something really wrong with you. Because if you see rice one side, fowl one side, and vegetable one side, and all you can think about a carib, we can't deal. Sorry. Get some help. Big and serious. Peace.